Imagine you are facing a problem where you need to compute cross-sectional rankings across multiple trading securities. The scenario involves a data frame with different symbols, prices, and trading dates, and you need to perform various transformations to achieve the desired results efficiently. In this case, the performance is crucial, considering that the data frame could contain millions of rows. Now, let's delve into the solution provided earlier. The first step involved calculating periodic returns by applying the percentage change function and then pivoting the data to align symbols per date. This operation enabled us to have a structured view of the returns for each symbol over the different trading dates, streamlining the subsequent ranking process. By organizing the data in this manner, we set the stage for generating the ranks based on return values within each date. Continuing with the solution, the next step revolved around ranking the return values in descending order over the date column. This ranking process allowed us to assign a rank to each return value, with the highest return receiving rank 1. By leveraging this rank data, we were able to create a comprehensive view of how each symbol performed relative to others on specific dates. This approach simplified the overall process and provided a clear insight into the performance dynamics of the trading securities. Building upon the previous steps, the final stage focused on selecting essential column symbol, date, return, in Ranked create a tidy data frame. By filtering and organizing the data based on these key attributes, we obtained a structured representation of the cross-sectional rankings across the trading securities. This final data frame encapsulates the pertinent information required to analyze and evaluate the performance of each symbol systematically, facilitating further insights and decision-making processes. In summary, by following the outlined solution steps, you can efficiently compute cross-sectional rankings across various trading securities while maintaining a focus on performance and data integrity. The systematic approach of calculating returns, ranking values, and structuring the final data frame ensures a streamlined and insightful analysis of the trading data. Remember, tidy and well-organized data is the foundation for extracting valuable insights and making informed decisions in the realm of trading and finance. Stay tuned for more programming tips and tricks, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any queries you may have.